we would create a digital twin of the Earth, that we would go and simulate the Earth so that we could predict the future of our planet.
This is not just about technology, it's a revolution. Digital twins are transforming industries worldwide, including the water sector. Water systems are complex. Historically, managing aquatic environments has always been a formidable challenge. We are entering a digital water era. The urgency to uncover the full scope of aquatic information is unprecedented. We need a groundbreaking technology that connects the physical and digital realms of water, acting as a bridge over troubled waters. PuriPilot, our latest advancement, is not only a tool for monitoring water quality, but also a platform for collecting data with super high temporal and spatial resolution. Precision, reliability, and insight. Each PuriPilot module redefines digital water standards. PuriPilot stands as a sentinel, vigilant and ever watchful. Envisioning digital water means seeing the unseen. Through smart grids and meticulous path planning, PuriPilot unveils the hidden, transforming elusive water data into a tangible reality. This is just the beginning. PuriPilot now stands as our foundation. It protects marine ecosystems, assesses pollution impacts, and safeguards every precious drop of water. Join us on this transformative journey with PuriPilot at the forefront of a smarter, more sustainable future. We are not just observing the world change, we are the catalysts driving this transformation.